Alrighty, so I'm back on the Sea Breeze today. Just a little stuff. I have to replace the airbox intake because it's all broken. Got the mount for the radiator hose. I got that. I'm just got to get the bolts and do a little cleaning and diagnosis of the it's a check engine light on. I think it was on before, but I just want to check it for them, make sure everything is okay, and then maybe even clean the engine bay some because it has like a little inside, it has a little smell. And also fixing the passenger side window regulator because the window don't go up and down. You can hear the motor going, but the window doesn't move. So I'm gonna check that out. These are all the parts from the junkyard. Oh, this is the bracket I was showing you here. Let's see, where can I find it? That's the bracket there, and then the new airbox, motor, and I picked this up too, because I didn't know if it was which one is actually broken. So I'm hoping it's just that, because it's just 3 screws and you pop it on. You don't have to do too much to the door, because it's a C-Bring, so it's like almost built just like a Mercedes or BMW, so it has a lot of torque bits and stuff like that. But other than that, let's get started on it. But I also want to encourage my 3 watchers that watch my videos. Basically everything that I'm doing besides something like this is basically all OEM replacement. I am talking about the RPM Act. The RPM Act is to stop anybody and everybody to modify cars, basically putting any aftermarket parts on them, pretty much mostly anything unless it's not OEM replacement parts. If it's not OEM replacement parts, then you cannot put it on your car. Please check out the I'm gonna put the link down below to sign a petition for the RPM Act, and it's been several different, I mean a lot of the YouTubers that's out there, that's most of them that I watch that deals with cars, we all modify some type of way, like an exhaust or intake, some of the small things. They trying to get rid of all of that. So please check out the RPM Act. We need to get that signed, because it will be just destroying everything. Even the small things we can't do anymore. So check that out, and let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is power wash the engine bay. Make sure I get that all nice and clean before I put all the other parts on. I'm gonna clean those parts too, make sure it's nice and clean. She said she was smelling something in her car. I think it could be something leaking or anything. So I want to power wash everything, get everything clean. So, because when you do turn your air conditioner on or whatever the case may be, anything in the engine bay, it goes up into the car if you don't have the recirculation turned on. The recirculation is the AC button that has a backwards, like an arrow going back. That means it only circulates inside of the car. If you don't have that on, anything from outside will come into the air conditioning system. So we're gonna take the look at that, make sure we get that all cleaned out. I have all the stuff to clean the actually inside of the air conditioning blower, and clean the engine bay, make sure it's clean and nothing on there, so you won't get any of those smells in. So we're on the door now. To take the door off is 2 torque bits down here, and then there's one behind the handle. So the one that's behind the handle, you just pop the little door down. So you get it in there. And then that's it for that one. And then the 2 down here. And then we just gotta pop the door off. Pop that out of there. And let me turn the key on. Yeah, I bet it sounds like the motor's moving. It's like the internal parts are messed up. So let me pull the rest of it off here. Just set that in here. Okay. Oh, hold on, the radio's on it. Just realized that. There we go. All right, so we got a bunch of tins all the way around. You gotta take those out. Yeah, so I took this same thing apart at the junkyard, and it's all one unit, somewhat similar to our Mini Cooper. Also, it was the craziest thing. Me and Rogelio, my next door neighbor, we went to the junkyard and we pulled it off. For some reason, we couldn't figure out how to get it completely off because it has like this plastic bracket over here, and yeah, all you had to do is just lift it up just a tiny bit and it popped right off, and I pulled and pulled until I broke it. I didn't mean to break it, but I couldn't figure out how to get it off. But I know now. I should have took this off first just to see if it was broken. Only thing I really like about this, it just pops right off with 3. Ooh, so yeah, it needs a whole new one. And this one looks okay too. So let me finish taking all the bolts out. That whole thing is broken. Jeez.
It sound right, boy. Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boy.
There's no bolts. There's no bolts at all. All right, we got our new window track. New to us.
It sound right, boy.
Just snaps in. That's it for that.
It sound right, boy. It sound right, boy. Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boy. It sound right, boys.
All right, so that will do it for today. We got the window fixed, engine bay cleaned up. Actually, once I cleaned up everything, cleared the codes, it's running better. Now, if the check engine light was on because of bank 2 O2 sensor, and it's got a misfire on 1 and 3, I believe. So it probably just need a tune-up, like new spark plugs or something simple like that. And I also filled the tires up. I put the ozone machine inside of it just to kill some of the smell. So right now it's good to go. I'm just gonna give it a quick wash real quick because we lost all atmosphere here in Texas. So it's like a million degrees. So I'm gonna go stand over here in the shade again. And that's it. Don't forget to sign the RPM Act. Please fill that out. And please comment, like, subscribe. Give me a thumbs down or something. Please, everyone, help me out. with almost 800 subscribers and only like 30 watch. That's pretty bad. But I know it's stuff you guys probably don't want to see. Until then, I guess I'll talk to you guys later.